Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Dealing with an injury can be super frustrating, especially when it prevents you from doing something that you really love doing. I've been dealing with this shoulder injury now for a solid 2 months, and I gotta say, staying off my bike has really gone a long way to helping this thing heal. I've gotten a lot of the mobility back in my shoulder just for regular routine stuff, and I'm even doing mild resistance training in the gym now. Hopefully that will prevent it from happening again. Though I do experience some setbacks occasionally, I'm really starting to feel like there's some light at the end of the tunnel here. Also, as you guys who regularly follow the channel know, we recently had some major drama at that MX track, the abandoned one. Well, I have some really good news. I found a piece of land that I think will be very suitable for a small little jump track. It's pretty private and it's secluded. And best of all, there is a ton of red dirt there. Owner told me there's something like 10 meters of solid red dirt in the ground, which means I'm gonna be able to build some pretty badass durable jumps there. The high clay content in the dirt is what makes it so strong. Because it rains a lot in Taiwan, if you have jumps that are mostly made out of like silt and sand, they don't last at all. The weather and constant riding will just take them down. I'm actually gonna be going over there shortly to finalize some last minute details with the landowner. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me and give you a sneak peek. And then after I see the land, I'm gonna go check out a 2.5 ton Kobelco Mini Excavator, which is a really common brand here in Taiwan. And if you can find one that's in really good condition, the prices are actually pretty good. So I'm gonna go test it out today and make sure everything's cool on it, but pretty sure I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna use it to build out all the jumps in the new park. I got a FRESHPARK steel moto jump ramp, and I'm gonna use that ramp to set the distances on all the gaps in the park so I can build it out quick. So I'll do the layout for the track first, and I'll build all the landings just where I want them. And then I can use that metal ramp and just pull it out and pull it out until I can set the distance on the gaps just perfect. It'll save me a ton of time with practice and trial and error trying to figure out the correct length for those jumps. So let's get out of here and go check out that land and go see all this beautiful red dirt that owner keeps telling me about. First test with the Pocket 4. Let's see how it does. This thing is nice, man. It's really light. I can't wait to see how stable the shot is. But yeah, this is the new place. It's a farm, as you'll hear in a bit. And I'm gonna remove a bunch of these trees. So this isn't really super huge, but I still think this place can be like a really decent little jumping area. It has this steel roofed area here where I can work on the bikes. I can get some tool carts over here. They'll remove all this stuff for sure. Open this all up for me here. And this could be a pretty cool chill spot. Have some tables over here, maybe a refrigerator. It does have power and does have water, free water. I can just take it right from that stream. So I'll be able to build and water the jumps, no problem. It was really low over there and he filled it. This is like really good red dirt too. The perfect jump building dirt. They don't really have a lot of this dirt in Taipei. You have to pay extra for it. I'm gonna bring the red dirt all the way to here. It's pretty secluded except for these neighbors. And there's a farm right here all the way around it. Can put up a fence right here. And also take out this power wire so it's all open. And there'll be a big bank right in the back where those stairs are. And then there'll be another bank over here. And then one bank like right here in front of the car to send you back around. So 3 main banks. And then maybe, I want to say 1, 2, 3, about 5 jumps in the middle with 5 different lines. And it's basically like hit one big jump, turn around, come back, hit one big jump, turn around. Maybe I can put a double jump on that side. I'm not sure yet if it's big enough. But you know, to have a place in Taipei with red dirt, private like this, all fenced in, it's pretty hard. And I think I can be pretty creative with how I design the track here. Get the most out of it. And at least I'll have a place to come jump my bikes. That's the key point. And I can build the jumps however I want. I know this isn't like somebody's huge backyard track in America, for sure. It'd be much easier for me to just go home to Michigan and do it. Like Nick. I saw Nick Thomasounis just did a backyard track. Oh my God, so sweet. And you see where it's lower over there, it's wet. So in order to dry this off, they really had to bring the grade up. And this was just a swamp. We came here 2 months ago in this spot. Impossible to walk back here without standing in a foot of water. I can't believe it. They've really brought this grade up a lot. Wow. And this place could be fun. Most importantly, it's better than nothing. And the time it takes me to get the excavator and get all the jumps built, get the layout planned right, get all this other stuff done, by then my shoulder should heal. I have no business jumping on it yet. This water's always running here. Definitely can take from here. Maybe I'll make some kind of a filtered sump pump and drop it in there and then run a hose over here so I can water my jumps when I'm building them. This is specifically for jumping. I'm gonna build some big ass jumps here, right in the middle. It's a rooster going non-stop over there. I'm thinking this might be my place, so. I took a few last looks around and then decided to jet and go test out that mini excavator for the new track. Brought the hub motor bike. Oh, look at this golden. Oh, look at that hat. I'm just gonna film.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Look at this girl. Now it has a quick connect on it, and I'm also gonna get a grading bucket so I can do like really smooth surfaces on the jumps. And then I can bounce back and forth between the digging bucket and the grading bucket. It has around 5,000 hours on it, but it's in really good condition. And the price is super good, like a little bit under 10 grand. This will be really perfect for that new spot, for sure. So yeah, this is a 2.5 ton mini excavator. I really like this safety feature. It'll deactivate all the controls so I don't bump it. A lot of times I would bump my knee on those levers and the machine was moving and I was getting in and out of it. I jumped in the machine and tested all the hydraulic controls for the boom, arm, and the bucket. Everything worked great, including the leveling blade. The whole machine was still pretty tight despite the 5K service hours. I also tested the tracks in both directions. Very smooth. And the engine ran pretty good and had no visible oil leaks. And the last thing I wanted to check on the machine was the quick coupler function. Sure. You rode this from over there? What? Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
It's unlocked. Yeah. Yeah, I'm down. So yeah, he's gonna hold on to this thing for probably a week or two for me until the new land is ready. And in the meantime, it's mine. It's just gonna sit here and he'll ship it to the new place. So I'm stoked. Sick, thanks. So I think that's gonna do it for this update video. I just wanted to catch you guys up to speed on what's going on with my shoulder injury and also the track and the mini excavator. I'm planning on doing a multiple part series on the rebuilding of the new track, so that should be really cool. Should be back to making regular riding content again pretty soon, and I really appreciate you guys who have stuck along with me, who are watching and commenting the videos still. It's been a few months since I had this injury, and I can't wait to start cranking out regular content again soon for you guys. So see you in the next one. Peace.